Hi CAinter students, I am Prakash, Chartered Accountant and acting as academic advisor in Masterminds from the past 20 years. In this short podcast, I will tell you the areas to be prepared in the subject of advanced accounting along with the order of revision. If you have not written the exam of taxation well, please come out of that bad mode and completely focus on the next exam. Remember, you can't change the result of a taxation exam just by worrying about it. But the result of next exam will definitely be in your hands. Either you may score better marks in future papers or you may at least score exemption in any of the future papers. My dear students, either advanced accounting or auditing paper will be challenging. May 2022 attempt auditing paper was challenging, but November 22 attempt paper of auditing was normal. So most probably this time you may get a challenging question paper for auditing. So if advanced accounting paper is either normal or a lengthy paper, then definitely the auditing paper will be challenging. So get ready even to handle such kind of situations. Sir, why can't we get a challenging paper for paper 7 or paper 8? Technically speaking, it's not possible, because paper 7 consists of two different subjects. It's already a burden on the student. That's why they don't twist paper 7. When it comes to paper 8, it also consists of two different subjects. The beauty of paper 8 is, even if the paper is challenging, you can score qualifying marks, number 1, through FM theory, because there will be damn sure 20 marks for FM theory. Number 2, economics for finance. That's why there is more probability of getting a challenging paper in auditing for this attempt. The two, if you remember, Institute has already given a very lengthy question paper for accounts of group 1. That's why I don't find any logic in giving such kind of challenging paper in advanced accounting in the same attempt. That's why this time most probably auditing paper could be challenging. Get ready for the same. If you have already applied for both the groups, then write all the exams of group 2, whether you have written your group 1 exams properly or not. If the papers are very easy, then you may even score exemption. I still remember November 2022 attempt. So the taxation paper of group 1 was challenging. Few of the students have not continued writing group 2 exams even though they applied for both. But those who ever continued writing all the papers of group 2, either some of them have cleared the group 2 or some of them even scored 1 or 2 exemptions in group 2 because the group 2 papers were very easy. Even if you have not prepared anything in group 2, then at least prepare the guess questions. If the papers of group 2 are really easy, then you may score at least 40 marks. At least you can gain some experience on the nature of group 2 exams. Alternatively, you aim to score exemption in paper 8, which is the last paper of group 2. So meanwhile, you will get around 1 week of time to prepare for that paper 8. Of course, paper 5, 6 and 7, you need to go to the exam hall and at least attend the exam. Even if you score 0, it's okay. So, but you need to go and write the exam. Now let us see the order in which you are supposed to prepare your advanced accounting. First, revise all the problems that we have mentioned in the guess questions in all the chapters, including accounting standards. After that, refer to RTPs and MTPs of your attempt and previous attempt. After that, refer to the supplementary material which was specifically prepared for your attempt. In such a case, you need not refer RTPs and MTPs of previous attempt. After that, refer to the mistakes committed in weekend and revision exams. If you have underlined the highlight points in each problem and also highlighted its impact in the notebook while listening to the classes, then it is better to revise all the problems in all the chapters, as it will not take much time. Of course, you can ignore the problems which you have completely stricken off. So this can improve your confidence to the next level. If you have not done so earlier, then open each chapter, identify the most comprehensive and complicated problems in each of the chapters and refer them now. In such a case, first finish all accounting standards, followed by high weightage chapters and then followed by remaining chapters. Remember, in professional courses, it is highly risky to leave a particular chapter or model completely as choice. Instead of leaving them as choice, at least refer to the problems stated in our guest questions, problems covered in past exam papers, and most complicated and comprehensive problems in each model. If at all you get a challenging question paper in this subject, don't worry. Examiner will never give a paper in which you cannot score minimum of 40 marks. That's why identify all the areas where you are strong and at least attempt them. It's very good even if you are able to attempt 70 to 80 marks. Don't ever try to attempt 100 marks. Start with small chapters and 5 marks problems and gradually go to complicated chapters. Never start with attempting compulsory question. ICAI may even add few marks and valuation can be liberal. Don't worry. In all the subjects, immediately after completion of the exam, don't even open the question paper. Simply throw it away. Stop thinking about the completed exam. Don't inquire or discuss the answers with your friends. Even if you don't write the exam properly, then ensure that its impact does not fall on the subsequent exams. If you like this podcast, like it, share it with your friends. We will do a similar podcast for every exam. So if you are still worried about the exams, you can directly contact me on my mail ID mssprakash2012@gmail.com. Leave your feedback and suggestions to improve this podcast in the comment section. All the best.